More now on those solid housing reports out today. Sales of new homes surged in May, rising by a far more than expected 18.6% from the month of April to the fastest pace in 6 years. Also, home prices in the nation's largest cities rose by 11% in April from the same month a year ago, according to the latest Case-Shiller Home Price Index. Now, all of that sent shares of a number of home builders higher, including D.R. Horton, Lennar, Beazer, Hovnanian, and Toll Brothers. But realtors say that a combination of more listings and stronger employment also drove the surge in sales during May, and there may be more to it than that. Diana Olick has our story.
The new home numbers were good, perhaps even too good to be true.
You have to take a look at it with suspect goggles on, and I think it's just that. New home sales suffers from the law of low numbers.
Sales of newly built homes surged over 18% from May to June, according to a government survey, which has a large margin of error. While the monthly jump was high, the base numbers are very low, down over 60% from their peak in 2005.
We release our homes in smaller phases so that we can keep up with the sales rate.
Prices for newly built homes surged 7%, with the biggest sales gains on the pricier end of the market.
We are increasing prices just a little bit, but not in leaps and bounds.
Prices for existing homes in April were up nearly 11% from a year ago, a smaller yearly gain than in March. Prices are still well below their peak 8 years ago this month, but some local markets may be in bubble territory.
The reason it's so noisy is it's moved from a national real estate story to a very local real estate story. And you have some parts of the country that are appreciating very rapidly, like Manhattan and the Bay Area, 20+% year over year. And you have other parts of the country, like the Midwest, that are flat to down.
While some worry about the latest price moves, the most famous home price watcher is unconcerned.
Prices are more or less okay where they are. They went up way too high in 2006. And they came down like 50%. And now they're going up. They look about right. And, you know, I hope people just don't get so worked up about them.
Of course, homes are actually more expensive today than they were back in 2006. The sticker price may be lower, but we don't have all those no money down, interest-only mortgages to foot the bill. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.